black and white kita.
Hi guys, we're now waiting for Audrey and we're going to Ayala. Hey guys.
Madugyot mo na sa gifted sa imang restaurant. Ano yung pin? Wish happy birthday and I do you that.
Kaya magbigay habang nagasulo?
Yeah.
Bala ka na!
Wala man tayo lighter.
Hey guys, we're here. Wait. We go to Chapel and I don't know what I did. We're going to Bigsara. Wow! We're going to buy
Wari na tapos ako dito nagkakauning
this. I don't know what
tira-tirang barbecue sa rep.
what now. Ay, grabe. Korean. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Nakita ba?
Uy! Entrance yan? O yan? Uy! Hell no. Damn!
Wow!
Gagaraanan mo ako? Tara, SM. Siya nasusun.
Ano yun na may drak? Guys, what's that guys? Bagay, di man siya dito. It is rainy day today.
Sa isang product na.
Sorry, no video. We're here again. I'm just doing something.
Why are you videotaping me?
Let's go play, guys. I'm gonna buy a card na.
Hindi na gatap to.
Di ba I lost it?
Ala.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my God! I want the... We're here. Let's go. Let's swipe it out. I should have... Ah. Yeah! Guess you didn't mean what you wrote in a song about me.
You said forever, now I drive alone across the street. All my friends are tired of hearing how much I miss you. Kind of feel sorry for them. They'll never know you the way that I do. Yet they I drove through the suburbs.
Yeah.
Picture I was driving home to you. And I know you were perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. Oh, and I just can't imagine how you could be so okay. Now that I'm gone,
Why is it like this?
cause you didn't mean what you wrote in a song about me. Cause you said forever, now I drive alone across the street.
Red.
Ah!
Stop.
Signs I still see everything the white.
Sama rin po. Kasi ibang kita. Walang
Yes,
kasi.
that's the places where you used to go to. Cause I still fucking love you, babe.
Fucking. Wala akong nababasa ng
Fucking hell. Sidewalks,
Sidewalks, pedestrian lane, sidewalks.
traffic, we're laughing.
What?
Over all the doors, got them story blue. I'm ready to. But I still fucking love you, babe. What was that? Hello, Juliana.
I know you want to, but felt this way for no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so
Ano ba
okay.
yun?
Now that I'm gone, guess you didn't mean what you wrote in a song about me. Cause you said forever, now I drive across the street.
Yeah.
Yeah, you said
forever, now I
drive along across the street.
Yes, boy.
Uy, so ibang kita guys, like, di
Happy
ko
birthday.
so
I
much.
don't have a
Yeah, bro.
She's everywhere I go. She's all I know.
Yeah. Ano ba, sana? Yeah, it's just,
Nice.
It's you know, it's just it gets stronger every day, like every day, and even now.
She's gone.
Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe our hearts will find their way. Only heaven knows. All I can do is hope and pray. 'Cause heaven knows.
Alam mo ba na? Sa chorus man lang?
My friends keep telling me,
My friends keep telling me
if
that
you're really younger, you're gonna set her free. Right? Yeah, right.
You have to do it once. Sit back and relax. Because we have something exciting.
But you don't want isang malakas na pa.
Wow!
Cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back. Only heaven knows. Maybe our heart will find. Only heaven knows. All I can do is hold and pray. Heaven knows.
She's never there.
You have to
And
do
all
it.
this time, I am so brave. I'm sitting inside. Why does it hurt me?
Happy birthday, pero.
So,
So, baby, my love.
baby, my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows.
Yeah.
And baby, our hearts will find a way. But only heaven knows. All I can do is hope and pray. 'Cause heaven knows.
Yeah. Alam niya heaven. Yan ang heaven eh. Yeah!
Yeah.
Ay, thank you so much. Wala bang yun eh? Ano ba patigana?
Wala talaga.
Bakit ba tayo ito ba? Ilan score nyo? Ano yan? Wala man score. Ang dami na smile. Ano, how you gonna read that? Ay, ano? Till I met you. Till I met you.
this one.
I found the love.
I found love.
Sorry.
Oh,
Darling, I'm sorry, but
Dali na tayo. Asan na kami dito? Dali na sa to.
I found God. Perfect. Waiting for me. We were just fell in love.
Yes!
Perfect.
Perfect as you. Perfect. Nice.
You